Hi, I'm attorney J.W. Bond, and I'm here to talk to you about how to handle a motorcycle accident. There's nothing more serious in personal injury law than motorcycle accidents. Usually, my clients are severely disabled or have serious injuries due to motorcycle accident. But in any motorcycle accident, there are certain steps you can take to handle your case. First step in any motorcycle crash is to first seek medical treatment. That is your number one priority, to get better. Get as healthy as you can and follow the advice of your doctors. Now, it sounds obvious, and most of the time an ambulance is arriving to the scene on any motorcycle injury that I see, but you need to listen to your doctors. Don't play tough and follow any of their advice. Seek medical treatment. Next, you're going to want to report the accident to law enforcement. Many times law enforcement is on scene at a motorcycle accident, but if they're not, you or someone else needs to report this to law enforcement. They need to do a full investigation. The state is on your side in this case. Their investigators will make sure that they collect witness statements and come up with a police report early on that encapsulates what happened in this incident. Report your case to law enforcement. That is the necessary first step after you receive medical care to make sure that your case gets investigated so that you can later prove through the use of an attorney that the accident was not your fault. Next, you don't want to post on social media or talk about the case to anyone. Most people find this simple. In a criminal case, they say, hey, I have the right to remain silent. I'm not going to talk about the case. But in any legal situation, it's advised not to discuss your case. Because why? Well, if the opposing side, in this case it's big insurance companies, most of the time they're attorneys, who are very highly paid, will try and seek out any statements you've made, either on social media or to other people, and they'll try to use that against you. Try to make you out to be a liar when you go to court and say one thing if it contradicts at all something you said in an earlier social media post or an earlier statement to another person. So avoid making statements about your case to anyone. You're going to want to keep all of your invoices, all your records, all your bills for all of your treatment, anything you receive related to the case. Documentation helps prove your injuries, prove what happened to you, and convince these adjusters to give you full value for your case. Lastly, you're going to want to contact an attorney who specializes in motorcycle injuries. Now, not every attorney, even personal injury attorneys, handle motorcycle injuries routinely. A motorcycle accident, there is a lot at stake. Usually, these are the worst injuries you see in injury law. It's important to have a seasoned, experienced attorney who's representing you for a motorcycle injury. Maximizing your compensation in motorcycle injury is extremely important. Usually people have life-altering injuries that deserve or require an amount of compensation that will support you the rest of your life. This is going to change your life substantially, this injury. You're going to want to make sure that you have enough money at the end of the day to cover all of your expenses and that compensates you for your injury, which is probably going to be life-altering. If you want more information, feel free to give us a call, 208-314-8888. Visit our website at attorneysofidaho.com. Thank you for listening.